In this video, I'll be showing you how to add in custom maps made by the community into your very own dedicated server that you may be running off of your computer or another computer that may be around your own home. So, say you want to download a random custom map, you're tired of the same 3 maps that Tripwire has so far released into the game. So you go into the main forums, right? Tripwire forums, where all their maps are. Say you want to download this particular map, KF Warcraft, made by DACFX. Scroll down, you like the pics, yada yada yada. You see the download link. You're gonna click it, and let it prepared, and then you can download. Alright? Let it download. Once it's done downloading, you're gonna go to where you have your KF2 server folder installed. So you're gonna go KF2 server. Once you're here, you're gonna go to KF game, Brood PC, and then maps. Once you're here, you're gonna click and drag from your downloads folder into the specified folder that I just mentioned. I'm gonna say copy and replace because I already have it installed. This is just for video's sake. You will not get that message unless you already have that map installed. Once you've done that, you're gonna close the downloads. You don't need it anymore. Then you're gonna go back 2 times, back to where Brood PC folder was originally at. Now you're gonna click on config. Go all the way down, PC server KF game. Then you're gonna want to edit it. Once you're at the editing point, you're gonna want to scroll all the way down until you see KF Biotics Lab KF map summary, and then you're gonna see these type of information. You're gonna see 3 of them. They're gonna be very identical except for the 3 specified original maps, such as Biotics Lab, Outpost, and Burning Paris. Now what you're going to do is you're going to want to copy it. After you have copied it, you will press enter twice and then paste it. After it's pasted, you're going to change the name on top, that's in purple. At least on my Notepad++, it'll be purple, which I recommend, by the way, instead of using regular old Notepad. This is so much better. Now what you want to do is you're going to want to change it to be the exact name of the map you have downloaded. Exactly. So it's going to be KF, capitalized, the dash, then Warcraft underscore small. All capitalized the exact same way you see it. Do not change anything. Then beta underscore V2. Is the V capitalized? No, it's not. So we're going to go back, change it, make it lowercase. Do the same thing where it says map name as well. Warcraft small beta V2. I made a mistake. Warcraft does not have a capital C, so I will go back and change it, and we should be good. Now, normally, where it says screenshot path name, you could leave it blank with nothing in it, or you could use the placeholder that Tripwire has provided us, which I would much rather have. It may be dull and look the same at their every screen when you're waiting for everybody to ready up, but I'd rather have that than nothing. So you're gonna save it. You're gonna scroll down some more. Or is it down? Let me see where it is. It is, oh yeah, close it. Once you have closed the notepad, you're gonna go back to the same folder. Instead of KF game, you're gonna right click on KF engine, edit it. Once you're up on the editing window, you're gonna scroll all the way down to the end. You're gonna see redirect to URL. It will be empty. I'll provide in the description of this video the link where you'll be able to redirect. Redirect is basically sending information from another location to download specific files of whatever it is it's being told to download. It would download at a faster speed, so people are not like in your server just in queue downloading for hours. Instead, it would take seconds and it would download at their speed. So thanks to Skills over at Skill Servers for giving us a public domain, which is updated pretty consistently because it's a few people doing it. as well. Whenever there's new maps, they'll be uploading it. Now, if for whatever reason the map you're trying to use doesn't work and it starts downloading insanely slow and you get an error or for whatever sort it is, the problem, the reason may be because the file name might be different. Different in the sense of the fact different cap sizes, whether there's a lowercase or capital letter or whatnot. The same thing that I wanted you to do for the notepad with the name of the maps, you have to imply the same thing as over here. So if you wanted, for example, this map KF Apartments, KFM, and the way they have it is listed like this with only a capital A, and let's say, for example, they have it here, but in case they didn't, but the version you have is this, whereas all lowercase, it will not work. You will get an error message because it has to be the exact same way as it is on the server on the map name. So in order to fix that, you could just change the file name on yours and also change it up on the KF game INI file where we did all the writings. Now, say you want to test this and see if it's working or not. You're gonna run your KF2 server. Whenever it decides to pop up. There it goes. So the more maps you put in all, the longer this would take. You will get warning messages, it's okay. It's nothing to freak out about, you should be fine. It's still going. Any day now. And there it goes. Now you know your server's ready once you see initializing game as completed, Steam game server UID, and you get these numbers. That's how you know it's up and running. So now, come up here, paste your IP, and then 8080 because that is your port for WebAdmin. So you're gonna log in. Alright, what you're gonna want to do is click Map Cycles. You're originally only gonna have 3 maps here, but you're gonna have all your custom maps on the left side. So what you're gonna want to do is you want to click and then drag it to the right to Map Cycles. All the maps that you want, and later on, if there's any maps you don't want, you could just take it off, just like that. You should be good to go. Then you just click Save Map Cycle. Then after that, you're gonna want to go to Change Map. You're gonna see Maps. Before it was only 3: Biotics Lab, Outpost, and as well as Burning Paris. You click on the drop down or anywhere within this box range. Now you're gonna see all the custom maps you have put in. So for testing sake, we're gonna go to Warcraft, small beta v2. That's the one we just made. Change game. Go to LAN, click on your server, the map is there, and now since I don't have it downloaded on my game, look how fast it's downloading. Pretty quick for a 28 megabit file. It's loading in, getting floor 2 loading screen, and then the map should appear. Boom. This is Warcraft small beta, boys. And you're good. Take care.